Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biology All-in-One. Today we are discussing about nutrition in plants. It is the first unit of 7th CBSE. Let us move into the class. Listen. See, first of all you have to know that what is nutrition. In this topic we are going to know how the nutrition takes place in the plants. Before of that we have to know what is nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but food supplying or obtaining is nothing but nutrition. Obtaining the food material to gain the energy and as well as the growth is known as nutrition. For the life process, in the life process, actually we need nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction, and even response to the stimuli. See, these things are very essential for the life process. The major one, the first one is nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but the gaining of energy. How we are gaining the energy? By intaking the food only we are gaining the energy. Right? See, we need food to gain the nutrition. The food is the main component to gain the energy. Food is the supplement which is giving us energy. If you see the nutrition in the plants, the nutrition is taking place in many ways. I will tell you that. But before of that, here the food is placing major role for every living organism. Every living organism which is living on this earth needs the food. See, now let us know how the nutrition takes place, how the food obtained in the plants. See, nutrition actually derived into three types. They are autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Next one is saprophytic nutrition. See, even this topic is there in your further classes. In the 10th class also you have in this unit as first unit. So listen here very carefully. Because all 7th class topics are interlinked with the 10th class topics. 10th class, or if you read here the topics in a clear manner, the topics whatever you are reading here, you will get some more information attached to that in the 10th class. That's it. See, whatever the topics you are learning here are very important. Keep this in your mind. See, autotrophic means in the name itself it is indicating that auto means self. Trophic means which is having the nourishment, the self-nourishment. See, the plants are self-nourished by themselves. Here the plants are self-nourishing. Nourishment means nothing but the gaining of the food. Obtaining of the food is happening. So, heterotrophic means which are depending on the other organism. Hetero means other, trophic means same nourishment. See, these organisms are depending on the other animals for food and shelter. While coming to the plants are not depending on any other animals for food. So, in this case, we are saying that these are self-nourished plants. See, we call these plants are also called as Autotrophs. The plants which are preparing their own food by themselves are also called as Autotrophs, which following the autotrophic nutrition. See, the animals and any other organisms which are following this heterotrophic nutrition are called as heterotrophs. The organisms which depends on the dead and decay matters are also called as saprophytes, which follows the saprophytic nutrition, which are depending on the dead and decay matters. So, here we are going to know how the autotrophic nutrition takes place. Actually, we know that the plants are preparing their own food by themselves by following a process known as photosynthesis. Now here, I would like to tell you how the photosynthesis takes place. In what way the photosynthesis is helping to the plants to provide the food material. Listen here very carefully. See, autotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition. The autotrophic nutrition takes place by the process of photosynthesis. You have to know that what is photosynthesis first of all. Photo means light. It is not the photo which you take in mobile. Photo means light. Synthesis means is nothing but combine. Synthesis means combine. In presence of the light, the combination of the components is happening. What are the components are combining here? The inorganic components, means the simple components are being combined together to develop into a complex called as organic. To develop organic components, the inorganic components are being combined in presence of the light. Now let us see what is the equation of the photosynthesis and how does it arrive. See my dears, here I would like to give you the equation of the photosynthesis in a clear manner. Here, if you take 6 moles of carbon dioxide, the inorganic components, I am writing the inorganic components here. Carbon dioxide is one of the inorganic components. 12 moles of water. This water is also known as inorganic components. I will write here carbon dioxide for your convenience. Don't get confused. You have to see this very clearly. This is nothing but water. We have taken 12 moles of water. Okay. How many moles? 12 moles of water. In presence of, this is called as gives rise. This arrow mark we called it as gives rise. You have to remember that. You should not say arrow, above the arrow, below the arrow, not like that. It is gives rise. In presence of the light. We call it as UV light also, UV rays. That's why I have mentioned UV rays. See, or else I'll write as sunlight. And chlorophyll. I will tell you what is the importance of the chlorophyll also. Here, these two components, in presence of these two components, the combining of these two components is happening. Along with the water, as well as the carbon dioxide, few other minerals are also joined along with the water. From the ground, few minerals are also taken up by the plant. See, by combining these two components in presence of the light and chlorophyll pigment, here C6H12O6. This is known as glucose. You have to check how it is balanced also. I will show you how to balance this equation and all. C6H12O6 plus 6O2. O2 means carbon dioxide. I am keeping arrow up. Why I am raising the arrow up in the sense it is evolving out. Okay? It is coming out. Means it is excreting out. It is oxygen plus 6H2O. This is also evolving out only. It is only utilized by the plant. This is water. You know, I will show you how it is balanced. See, 6 moles of carbon dioxide. Means 6 carbons are there. O2 in the sense 6 2s are 12 O's are there. Okay? If you see the monoxide, 12 monoxides are there. See, here 12H2O. See, 12H2O. 12 into 2. 24 hydrogens are there, means 12 oxygens are here. Totally I'll write to clear, watch here very clearly so that you can understand. Here 6 carbons are there. Next 12 oxygens are there, means monoxides. Here 24, very clearly Seema, 24 hydrogens are there. 12 twos are 24. Okay. Next 12 oxygens are there. Okay. 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is equals to 24. O's are there. You remember this. 6 carbons are there. Very easy balancing. I am telling you, you remember this. If you balance like this, you can easily understand. As you are very unknown to this topic, that's why I am telling you in a clear manner. If it becomes familiar to you, you can easily understand this. Okay, for your understanding, I am giving this kind of explanation. 6 carbons are there. More 24 hydrogens are there. See, C6H12O6. Here 6C6, totally finished. H12 means 12 H's are finished. Only 12 left. O6. See here, how many O's are there? 12 plus 12 is equals to 24 O's are there. In that 6 minus, you have to do the 24 minus 6. What is 24 minus 6? 14. Out of 14, 6 got finished. See, after finishing the 6, you are having 18 here. Okay, 18 O's are there. 6 O2, 6 2s are 12. This got finished. 6 2s are 12 and 6 H2O. Here 6 finished. Totally, here if you see 6, here 6, here 6, sorry, here 12, here 6, here 6. Total 24 finished. And next here 6 carbons are finished. Here 12 hydrogens are finished. And 6 to the 12, here 24. Total 24, 24. All are clear. Understand? Like that you have to balance the equation. If you have any confusion, once again you see here I am telling you. See 6 carbons are there. Here 6 2s are 12. 12 oxygens are there. Here 12 2s are 24. 24 hydrogens are there. 12 oxygens are there. Here why you are balancing the equation? C6 got finished. H12 in the sense once 12 can finish in the sense more 12 are there. Okay, here O6. O6 if you finish in the sense 12, here more 6 will be 6 O's. See 6 O2. Here 12 finished. Whatever the 6 left here they used 6 H2O. H2O in the sense 6 2s are 24 and O here. Understand? See, likewise you have to balance the equation. This equation, if you remember, it will be very useful for your further classes. Now, in the next class, I will give you the explanation that how the chlorophyll is used to the plants and how the sunlight is essential and where does chlorophyll is present and how it is useful and all we will learn in the next class. Thank you.